Hi theory friends, we are marching through the semester. I hope everything is going well. If not, please let me know, and I would love to help out in any way. We have done a module 1, 2, 3. We've just finished up 4, and now we're entering module 5. Right here we will find our module 5 directions. I want you to read the chapter on student variability. I haven't put the chapter number because a couple of us are working from different versions of the textbook, so just find the chapter that talks about student variability, and you are going to do something a little bit different. You are going to think about what we've talked about on students so far in the past 4 or 5 modules, and then you are going to think, okay, what does this mean for yourself as an educator? You're going to give me 2-page double-spaced reflection, include some citations in there, maybe even citations from past chapters, this chapters. I want you to synthesize your learning all together, put it together, and then you're going to submit that document. 2 double-spaced pages. Then you're going to watch this one and this video, and then you're going to take notes as you are watching both the videos, and you're going to tell me one thing that you learned, one thing that you need to remember as a classroom teacher, one thing parents should understand, knowing that you are the one that communicates this knowledge to parents, and one thing that left you wondering more. You're going to type the 4 statements on one document and submit it to Canvas. So I want those 4 things for this video and those 4 things for this video in one document. So you're actually going to have 8 statements on a document. Just lifts gifted and talented 1, 2, 3, 4. Special education law 1, 2, 3, 4. The third thing you're going to do is you're going to talk. You're going to discuss with your peers some discussion questions. Things that I want you to remember. For each of the questions, and there's 4 questions you can see there, you're going to remember to use your academic language and citations from the text to help you answer each question. That proves to me that you're not just being flippant with your answers, that you are grounding them in research and things that we have talked about. After you've made your initial post on all 4, then you are going to thoughtfully comment on 2 of your peers' presentations. That means you will have a total of 3 different comments on each one. 3 times 4 is 12. So you're going to post 12 different times on Canvas over the next course of the week. Let's go and look at more Module 5. So those are the directions we just read. Here's where you put your chapter reflection, 2 pages double-spaced. Remember to include citations. This is where you include your video reflections. Remember there's 2 videos, and you are writing 4 statements on each video for 8 different statements. And then here's discussion question 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you click on it, discussion question number 1, what diversity can we expect in the classroom? What as educators is our responsibility in regards to diversity? You are thinking about that in terms as ethnicity, as ability. You are really thinking about diversity in every realm possible. Question number 2, how does the table 3.1 on page 57 affect your career? Look at it. Think about it. What does that mean for you as an educator within the next couple years? For question number 3, the following quote, that should say quote, from former U.S. Secretary of Education William Benet was used in your reading. What are your thoughts about the statement? He said, our common language is English, and our common task is to ensure that our non-English speaking children learn this common language. Let me know what you think about it. Some people are going to agree, some people are going to disagree. As long as you kind of cloak those ideas with your professional opinion, that will be good. Okay? And the last one. What is inclusion, and why is it so controversial? Okay? So what is inclusion? Tell me what you think it is, and then why is it so controversial? Why do people get upset about it? Those are your 4 discussion questions. So you are submitting chapter reflection, video reflection, and then 12 postings within this. You can see that you have 4 points apiece. Your first initial comment gets a point, and then, or it gets 2 points, and then every other follow-up gets 1. That's how we get to be 4. So make sure you're doing this because that's worth a lot of points there. If you have any questions, please let me know. If I can help out in any way, please text or call or email. I hope you all are having a great semester, and I enjoy reading your work.